Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to answer the question, what should you sell your price? What should you sell your product at? What price? And if you're getting caught up on that, I'm going to give you a really simple way that you can get the feedback and you can also start getting sales. So this is the main thing I want you to remember in this video. You can sell it for whatever you want to, and I know that's not a very closed answer, but what you really want to do is not fall into the trap of just selling at what everyone else is. So if we take a look at this, and I've stuck with dog training again as the example, just because I've been using dog training in these videos as an example, but it could be any product. For an idea of what to sell your product for, look at these things. Number one, what do they get? Okay, so you've probably heard of value, and all you have to do is make the value exceed the price. And when you're working out what sort of price you should go for, think about what they get. If you're just selling an ebook with 20 pages in it, obviously it's not a good idea to go and try and sell that for $500 or something like that. As a rule, I mean, if it contained ancient secrets or something like that, maybe you could do it. But yeah, it's just working out. You know, you're not going to get away with selling something that someone can replicate so easily for that sort of price. That said, as long as your product's really good, and there's so many ways you can add value to it. You could add a membership to it, you could add updates and special content, personal videos, Facebook groups, extra guides, bonuses, free upsells, and you could have a lot of different options. So just sticking to the basics though, let's say you just had an ebook, all you have to do is find other people in your area, in your niche, that are selling, and find out what they're selling for, and it will give you a rough idea. So if we were doing dog training, you can see here, this is what I'd do. I'd look at the sales page, but what I'm really interested in is what they get. Okay, so here we go. They've got modules here, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5. Is it videos or a guide? You know, here we go. You get 7 trick training videos, including obedience training, which includes polishing up your training, Adriana's archive, which includes over 100 in-depth articles, and so on. So there's a lot there, okay? And then when we have a look at the price on the checkout page, that's $47. So that will give you a rough idea. Now, just something without making the video too long, if you're worried and thinking, well, that's going to be a hell of a lot of work to sell at $47, remember that you can also have, this is something to think about, you can also have higher price services, and the easiest way to up your prices is to work with a group of people, or even one-on-one. So let's say they get this ebook and it's all very good and it's videos. Maybe you could add in, just with this niche, like just as an example, but it doesn't matter what the niche is, maybe you could add in a personal help for your dog. So in this case, let's say they get the ebook and you sent an email out and it said, hope you've enjoyed the ebook, I hope it's helped you. And I'm doing a personal group coaching for people that want to stop their dog barking. We're going to go through step by step, and you'll be able to ask questions, and you'll also get a personal consultation with me. Well, you could sell that for a lot more, because that's more value for the people. They're getting personal help. One-on-one works very similar. They're getting the undivided attention, and they can ask all the questions they need, and they're getting help. So all you have to do to work out your price is think about what problems your product's solving, how it's actually packaged, and start thinking of ways that you can exceed the value of what other people are doing if you want to raise the price. Now you can see here, even big packages, $47. If you just add one ebook and you're in the same area and they can get this huge package for $47, they're going to go for that one. So it's just something to think about, okay? But that doesn't mean, of course, you can up the value of what you're doing quite easily by thinking about that one-on-one stuff, and thinking about how you can get more value out there without having to change much as well. So that's, but really, another thing I'll leave you with is when you're thinking about price, don't agonize about it too much. The main thing that you want to do with price is testing. Get it out to the market, test it. If it doesn't sell, you've then got the option of changing it and working out different price or how to add value. So I hope this video has helped. Remember to get your free course through the link below in the description, and it will give you a webinar and a free course of how to do all this product creation stuff, and I'll speak to you really, really soon. Cheers, guys.